Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. We have a 2018 Subaru WRX STI. The car is gorgeous. The only thing it was lacking was a really good audio system, so we went ahead and took care of that. Hop in the car and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So, if you're not familiar with what the original stereo looks like, this is it. This is what it looks like now. So what we went ahead and did was install the Kenwood 9903S. It's a double-din touchscreen stereo. It's got AM, FM, CD, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth wireless music streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI input. It's got the works. What we did to upgrade it, we replaced the cigarette lighter port down below here. It's a little difficult to see, but there's a USB port there and an HDMI port. What that's going to do is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my iPhone. Let it unlock. Bam. I went ahead and kept the factory steering wheel controls working. So I have my volume, my stations. I even have my phone calls for voice dialing. Call Avenue Sound.
Calling off a sound 2. Work.
So now it's calling. I have my end and my answer on my steering wheel controls functioning too, so it's about to ring. I got my sound and the call, no problem, right through the steering wheel. This car had a factory reverse camera. Well, we kept that working as well. So the reverse camera, which is in the original location and not changed, works right on the new stereo. It's a motorized stereo. We have different wikis here. We adjusted the equalizer to the way we think the customer will be satisfied with it. It sounds phenomenal. Way better than what it originally did. And the greatest thing is, now he's got better sound because we also changed the speakers. It's going to be hard to portray that via video, but you get the gist. The other cool thing that this stereo has is voice control without having to touch the steering wheel. Hey Siri, take me to Avenue Sound in Freeport.
Getting directions to Avenue Sound.
Now it'll go ahead and open up maps for me. I can have it go.
Starting route to Avenue Sound.
And I can do that for my music, my messages, and my maps. Again, this was done here at Avenue Sound, Freeport, New York. Visit us on the web at www.avenuesound.com, Facebook, YouTube, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.